For the repair of the HiAN16 air circuit breaker, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of air electromechanical components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we had a 220-volt AC power supply and an official checker provided by Hyundai. At first, we tripped the ACB manually. Then we tripped the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 50 seconds. Lastly, we perform short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.